Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. Today we're going to be unboxing the Sew Sampler box. This box is $24.95 a month plus shipping. If you're interested, I will put a link on where you can get it in the description box below this video. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what's inside this month's box. So this is the March 2021 box, and on the back we have a promo code for 25% off any Martingale books, so that's kind of fun. And the theme for this month is Happiness is Homemade. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with our Greatest Hits quilt block. This is block number 12, which means it's the last block in this collection, and so along with the block came the finishing instructions, and so you got 2 cards in this month's box. So you have the card to finish the block number 12, and then there's also finishing instructions that came with it as well. And since most of you know that I haven't really been a huge fan of this particular series of blocks, I'm going to actually give these blocks away. So I have all of the cards 1 through 12 here for you guys, and I'm going to go ahead and pick a winner, somebody from the comments on this video, and then I will ship all of the 12 blocks plus the finishing instructions patterns to you guys. So stay tuned to the end of the video and I will tell you how you can enter to win all 12 blocks plus the finishing blocks cards, and hopefully one of you guys will enjoy these. So the next thing in my box are these rainbow bobbins, and these retail for $1.48, so they're pretty inexpensive. And it says, don't get wound up over an empty bobbin. With this set of 6 rainbow bobbins, you can keep your sewing machine fed with more than needle and thread. These colorful plastic bobbins are a beautiful way to keep your machine or hand sewing going for piecing and binding. And they are plastic, and I think it's fun that they're colorful. I guess I'll have to try them out. I have a Juki TL 2000, it's right here behind me, and you guys have probably seen my video for that, so I'll have to see if these are going to be working for that. I don't know. I've never used plastic bobbins in it before. I'm a little bit skeptical of these, but I do know they fit in my other Juki machine, so I might have to save those for when I use that one. But either way, they're cute, and I like that they're really inexpensive as well. So my next thing in here are these Sew Tight Sticklers. Okay, so these are retailing for $8.48. And if you watched one of my other unboxings, I think it was the January box, we got some Sew Tight magnets in there. And I'll insert an image of those here as well so that you know what they are. So these are meant to go with those, and it says Sew Tight Sticklers pair together with the Sew Tights magnets from the, January 2021 Sew Sampler box. And it says, simply stick this to the back of your Sew Tights to keep them in place even on the most uneven surfaces. Whether you're hand sewing or in the car or on a plane, even in your backyard, these sticklers will always help you get a grip. And they have a picture of someone having them sitting on their leg while sewing in the car. So interesting. I don't know. I mean, $8.48, that might, yeah, I'm not sure. So the next thing I have here is this silver needle case, and this is actually really, really cute. It's actually heavier than I thought it was going to be as well. I thought it was going to be kind of a plasticky, I don't know, just kind of cheap little case, but it's actually quite heavy and it's really pretty. So this is to keep, it says, keep it sharp with this gorgeous silver needle case. The stainless steel is fashioned to look antique chic, so you can tote your needles and pins around in style. It retails for $5.48. And the cap just pulls right off, and then you can keep your needles in there. And it's decorated on both sides, so that's nice. And honestly, this is, like I said, it's really pretty. It's definitely heavier than I thought. It's got some weight to it, so that's kind of nice. Mine is doing this bit, but I don't think it'll come all the way off. Like, you really do have to still kind of, you know, pull on it to get it off. I don't know. The next thing in my box are 2 Spring Brook charm packs. Together they retail for $19.96, and these are by Corey Yoda for Moda Fabrics. And it says, as giddy as a babbling brook, Spring Brook sweeps in like a breath of fresh air. This light and airy collection by Corey Yoda for Moda Fabrics blooms in blues, greens, yellows, and soft gray. 2 charm packs are just right to create a sweet, sun-dappled quilt like Starry Checkers, which I will show you in a second, and that will be the featured quilt this month. And I'm actually really excited to have this fabric. I've been eyeing it on Instagram. The last thing in my box is the Starry Checkers quilt pattern, and this was also designed by Corey Yoder. It finishes at 36 by 36 inches square, so it's perfect to put on your dining room table or kitchen table, and it retails for $9.98. Raise the bar on your dining room decor with a charming charm pack friendly table topper. Combine 9 patch and half square triangles to create a serene scene. And I did look in here, and it's actually really easy pattern, super cute and beginner friendly. It also will be really quick and fast to put together. And then of course it's got lovely color instructions, step-by-step illustrations. And so I just think this is a super cute project, and you can kind of see the layout. So that's everything that came in this month's box. I did do the math for you guys, and the total value for this month's box is $55.34, so a great deal. My favorites, of course, are the fabric plus this really cute pattern, and I really do like this little kind of vintagey looking needle holder. I just think that's really nice. These would be fun to throw in your bag if you're gonna do binding in the car, or of course needle point or cross stitch or any kind of needle related craft. So that's really cute. Now, like I mentioned before, I am gonna be giving away all 12 block cards for the Greatest Hits quilt blocks. And so I think for the winners, go ahead and just leave a comment below this video. Let me know what your favorite product from this month's unboxing was. I will pick one of you and notify you via YouTube, and then you can just let me know and I will ship those out to you, and hopefully you will enjoy making that fun quilt for yourself. I think that's going to be it for today's video. As always, if you liked it, please make sure to thumbs up and subscribe. That way I know to keep making fun videos for you. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you next time.